Hello everybody, my name is Miran Madani. I'm a vector design student at Washington State University. The area of research that I'm going to explain today and describe about the topic is related to, I can say, built environment affordances, and I explain about what we mean about affordances, and I can interpret that to the different urban forms and the connection between urban forms and social activities and physical activity patterns of all the adults related to their public health. And when I'm talking about different subjects and different disciplines, I thought they have different cultures, but they can have also a negotiation between those cultures. And I found this quote very related to this idea from Heidegger that the boundary is not that at which something stops, but the boundary is that from which something begins in its presencing. And I use a linear connection between those disciplines and how they have negotiation between the cultures. For the introduction, I wanted to mention about the rapid growth of older adults population in world society, world population, and for this population, we need to consider their needs and how their geographical location is related to their social contribution, social activities, and their physical activity and public health. As a fact, we have 15% of world population, 65 and over in mid-century, and also, especially in the United States, aging population will be around 72 million in 2030. In 2030, and it's really a big part of the population. Also, I wanted to explain about the phenomena that is happening now based on our contemporary urban design and urban planning, and that is a shift from urban area, core urban area, to suburban. And they call it in urban design, as you know, suburbanization or sprawl. Older adults 65 and over living in metropolitan areas were evenly distributed between core cities and the suburban area in the United States in 1977. But the current studies reveal that the number of older adults living in the suburbs of metropolitan areas of the United States has exceeded the number living in core cities, and even more than half of the population are going to leaving core urban area to suburb area. And for knowledge claim for this research, first, as I explained, I'm thinking about the linear connection between those disciplines, and also determine the gap between social activities of older adults and their urban form and geographical location, and also evaluate the impact of community design decisions and for older adults, and how those guidelines and regulations can affect their life. For research goals and objectives, we are thinking about different forms of physical settings, and when we were thinking about the impact of urban forms on the social activities of older adults, we talked about social interactions.